Luckily for me, I was fortunate to meet Mr. S.B. Salem, who was the principal at the time. And of course, he was a disciplinarian that touched the lives of everybody. The act of living as a disciplined human being, for me, I think, majorly started from Government College Ojo because of the way our principal handled us. And of course, from the principal, the teachers, other teachers had no choice but to follow suit. And the bottom line is that today, by the grace of God, these values we have taken it this far. That has made us better human beings today. That I'm an admiral today. I thank God I attended Lagos State Government College Ojo. Thank you very much.
So your advice to upcoming ones who will still want to go through the 4 walls of Government College Ojo, what advice would you give to them?
Well, when I say advice, I'll just pray that they meet very good teachers, quality teachers, teachers that are dedicated to their calling, like we had. Because only with that can you have very good children. You don't have bad children, you have bad teachers. So I can only pray that they meet quality teachers that will impact positively in their lives. And I'm sure by the grace of God, because the best of teachers can even turn a very bad student to a very good student.